Hello folks, this is Wes from B&B Audioconcepts, and today we are doing
Don't gotta care for me, don't gotta fall in love with me. Girl, just be there for me. The door, we don't need a key. Hop up in that Uber, yeah. Forget the one you can.
Hello folks, very similar video to the SVR, but I thought I'd do it because it's such a nice car. We've got a McLaren 720S, and what we've done to this is fitted the Meta S5 Deadlock system. Okay, so awesome screen, car is pretty trick. If I go to start it right now, put my foot on the brake, the car starts like normal. Okay, so I'm going to switch it off. I'm now going to send the vehicle an immobilizer block. Obviously you've got the keys which will block it, but once they're in it, it'll unblock it. But we're now going to send a manual block to the car. Just going to check that it's arrived. Okay, I'm going to now try and start the car, and there's nothing there. Okay, so someone's broken into my house, they've taken my keys, they've taken my fob, or they've put a knife to me and taken it. No problem, send them a message and it can't start. Okay, so now I'm going to send an unblock signal. Usually takes about 30 seconds or so. So bear with me, but what a car this is. I should do my little Jeremy Clarkson talk about it, but all I know is it's expensive and it's fast. Okay, let's have a go now. Press it harder, and the car starts. Awesome bit of kit. Get in touch if you're interested. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel.